New year, new chair. Hey everyone, Nicholas here from Crippled Tech, and I am now back in my room with the newly built chair, enjoying it in my new setup. So yeah, it was quite a process to build this chair and carry it into my setup. Let's get into the unboxing and building assembly part of the video. Mousepad.
A few moments later.
Done. Chair's finally done. Got everything. Let's move it to the setup. There we go, the newly built TTRacing SwiftX 2020 Black Panther Edition. Now, the seat. So let's start from the bottom. The casters meaning the wheelbase. It's easier to move than my previous chair, so it's easier to move around. Up to the bottom cushion, the hardness is just fine. It's not too hard that it hits, that it's uncomfortable, and it's not too soft that you hit the bottom hard part. So it's just right. Excuse me, just right and comfortable. Armrest adjustable. Lowest position to store in my setup for my use case, and then just the highest position to rest my arm against when I'm using my setup, my keyboard and mouse. The perfect height. So yeah, I'm using the whole range of the adjustable armrest. And oh yeah, soft touch material on the armrest. And then lumbar support. The lumbar support actually makes the chair more ergonomical than it seems, so it's more comfortable with the lumbar support on. You can selectively remove the lumbar support if it suits you better. So the lumbar support suits me better, so I'm using it. And right on the top, there's a head pillow. The head pillow supports my neck, so when I'm sitting and lying down on the chair, it supports my neck comfortably, and it's soft enough that it doesn't doesn't feel like a rock on my neck. So yeah, that is quite good. TTRacing logo on the chair, on the pillow, and the lumbar support. There we have the Black Panther graphic. Turn around to the back of the chair. We have a Black Panther logo here. And the mask of Black Panther, the T'Challa. Wakanda forever. Of course, the height of the base is adjustable. I have it adjusted to fit my setup, so I'm not going to move it. And the angle of the upper part, I don't know what you call this, of a chair, the upper part can be adjusted with this handle right here. I believe this is standard for all gaming chairs and some of these chairs as well. So the big question is it worth it? Do I recommend this chair? Well, so I bought this chair around 570 ringgit Malaysia. Yeah, I bought it on a sale as well, so it's a discounted price. It's quite an expensive chair, so do I recommend it? It depends on your budget, and not just your budget. You have to try the chair out, see if it fits you, because everybody's different, your height's different, your weight's different, and yeah, body proportions different. So the same chair that works for me might not work for you. So before I bought this chair, I actually had an opportunity to try the same model out on a sales floor. So I just tried it out and it fits me, so I decided to aim for this chair and go for it when it's on discount. So whether or not this chair is worth it for you, this model is the TTRacing SwiftX 2020. There's a variety of different skins available. My variant is the Black Panther variant. I believe there's also an Ant-Man variant and other default TTRacing color variants, different prices as well. But whether or not it's worth it for you, you have to try the real chair and adjust it and see if it's comfortable for you. And if it is comfortable for you, then look at the price, see if it fits your budget. So if it fits your budget, then I recommend it and wait for a sale. There's always a sale around, at least in Malaysia, there's always sales around. So if it fits your budget, don't just go straight ahead and buy it yet, wait for a sale. And when there's a sale, go ahead and buy it if it fits your budget and it's actually comfortable for you. And of course, if it's not comfortable for you, there's no question, you don't have to buy this chair. Just look for another model that is comfortable for you and your use case. How long are you going to be sitting in it on one session and whatnot? Consider all that. That's pretty much it for this random new gaming chair video, newest addition to my gaming battle station editing setup. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you. Well, before that, if you have any ideas or things that I missed out of this chair or just gaming chairs in general, put it down in the comment sections down below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Jane, bye bye.